Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can get Beanwork and Bean Speaker in Grow a Garden new Beanstalk update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can join the Grow a Garden game and then you can go to this area and you will see this elder bean avatar, and then you can talk to this avatar and then you can apply this avatar. I'm going to click on I want to join the cause. Okay, and the avatar will be applied to your avatar. Okay, I'm going to click on OK. All right, and after that you will be able to get the bean work. Let me search the bean work. Okay, this is how the Beanwork looks like, and you can click anywhere to activate the Beanwork. Okay, let me make it louder like this. It will make this sound. Okay, and if you want to get the bean speaker, just select this bean speaker. Okay, and wait, let me go to my garden and let me click here. Okay, this is how the speaker sounds like. Okay, and if you have applied this elder bean avatar to your avatar guys, I recommend you to change your avatar to original avatar, and then you can go to that location again and then meet the elder bean avatar, and then you will get this speaker and also the bean work. And when you leave the game, the speaker will disappear. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. Hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.